Hi guys, today I'm making my quick and easy chicken tikka masala. It's very family friendly, the children love it. It's a mild recipe and it's one pot ready to go. Quick weeknight meal. So let's get started. I have my pot heating up. It's on a medium heat, and before I run through the ingredients, I thought we'd get the butter melting. So here I have about 2 tablespoons of butter, and in it goes. Whilst that's melting, we'll run through the ingredients. And here we have about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Here we have 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. We have 1 lime, and here we have my spices. We have 1 teaspoon of ground or granulated onion, okay? And then we have my usual paprika, ground coriander, turmeric, and my ground cumin is in there as well. And all of it 1 teaspoon each. And then I have 1 can of my chopped tomatoes, whatever you have will do. And 200 milliliters of cream. And I have here this is 30 grams of coriander, which I've chopped for garnishing. And then I have here washed and ready chicken breast cut into cubes. This is 500 grams of chicken breast. Okay, so let's see how the butter is doing. And the butter is melting quite nicely there. So the butter is all melted, and we're going to now pop in the chicken. So I'm going to go grab it and I'll be right back. Okay, and the chicken goes right in. Butter is coating every piece of chicken. Okay. And then I'm going to add in the dry spices. So that is the tandoori powder. And then my spices. Okay. I'm going to let that cook for a bit. Give it a good mix and then let it cook for a bit. And once that's done, I will be right back. Sorry, I don't know if you guys heard that because my finger was on the speaker. But just mix it up and let it cook and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to let that happen and I'll be right back to show you what it looks like. Okay, so the chicken's been just incorporating the flavors for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes, I'd say, although I said 3 to 5, but this has been cooking for about 3 minutes just to incorporate the flavors. I'm going to add in my salt at this stage. That's 1 teaspoon of salt that's going in to taste. You can put less, you can put more, depending on how what your experience is with these flavors, the tandoori flavor specifically, because that tends to be quite salty for me. And I'm going to go in now with the ginger and garlic paste. Okay, let that incorporate slightly and cook slightly with the flavors. Okay, so while that's going, we'll squeeze in the lime, juice of 1 lime. If you don't like the flavor of lime, you don't have to put it in there. I do like it, so. And my recipe calls for some lime. That's 1. Hard to squeeze with 1 hand, but see how gorgeous it looks with all the flavors. You see it's beginning to look like chicken tikka masala. For those of you that do go to the restaurants. Sorry, you can hear that bubbling. I'm just making some rice on the other side there, so I'm letting my water boil. Okay, so there we go, that's that. And then I'm gonna go in with the 1 can of tomatoes. Now reduce the water that's boiling. How beautiful does that look? I'm just going to add the can of tomatoes and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's with the tomatoes. I'm just going to mix it in, incorporate it, fold it over. Okay, so I'm just going to let this cook now for 15 minutes. And I will be right back to show you what it looks like in the 15 minutes. Okay? Okay, so it's been cooking for 15 minutes and I'm actually going to turn off the temperature or the actual heat to the curry. And this is what it looks like. The oil is separated, it looks amazing, and it's still quite thick. Okay. So I'm going to let it cool slightly. So I don't want to add the cream when it's bubbling. So now I'm going to let it cool for a bit. Just for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add the cream. So once it cools slightly, then I'll be right back. Okay, so it's literally been about 3 minutes since I've turned off the heat, and I'm going to add the cream now. Okay, and in it goes. I'm going to give that a bit of a mix. Okay, that's exactly what we want it to look like. This is what a chicken tikka masala looks like. It smells amazing. Okay, I would serve it with rice, naan bread, any sort of flat bread that you have. Okay, and then I'm topping it off with my chopped up herbs, my coriander. If you have parsley, you can use parsley. If you like mint, a little bit of mint, but I think the green looks really nice. It kind of balances it out. And that's it. If you guys like my recipe, please give it a go. Let me know your thoughts when you do try this at home and what the family says. I know my boys love it. It's a favorite in my household. I hope it is in yours too. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Take care. Bye.